Rising above the bustling streets of Sarajevo, Mount Trebević has long been the city's cherished escape, known affectionately as the lungs of Sarajevo, for its lush forests and fresh mountain air. Its vantage point, Vidikovac, which literally means viewpoint, offers what is arguably the most breathtaking panorama of the Bosnian capital. The modern connection to this natural sanctuary was forged in 1959 with the opening of the Sarajevo cable car, or Sarajevska žičara. For over 3 decades, this iconic lift carried passengers from the Bistrik neighborhood to Vidikovac in a journey of about 12 minutes, becoming an essential part of the city's identity. At the summit, visitors were greeted by a restaurant where they could enjoy a coffee while gazing down at the city. Trebevic's status was further cemented when it hosted events for the 1984 Winter Olympics, for which a modern bobsleigh and luge track was constructed. However, this golden era was shattered during the Bosnian War. Trebević was transformed from a place of recreation into a deadly front line. The cable car was completely destroyed, and the facilities at Vidikovac were left in ruins. For years, the mountain stood as a scarred and divided memorial, strewn with the sorrow of conflict. A significant turning point came on April 6, 2018, when a new, modern cable car system was inaugurated, symbolizing Sarajevo's resilient spirit. The new lift, with 33 gondolas, dramatically cut the travel time to just 8 minutes, once again connecting the city to its mountain. Today, visitors can once again stand at Vidikovac, 1,164 meters above sea level, and take in the stunning view of Sarajevo's Old Town and the surrounding mountain ranges. The nearby Olympic bobsled track, though still bearing the marks of war, has been transformed into an immense canvas for graffiti artists and remains a popular, if poignant, attraction. While the original restaurant is gone, a new facility, Coffee to Go, now operates at the arrival station, allowing a new generation to enjoy the same spectacular vista. Looking forward, there are conceptual plans to build a new, representative hotel on the site of the former restaurant, ensuring that Vidikovac will continue to be a favorite picnic site and a symbol of Sarajevo's enduring appeal for years to come. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.